Hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the fourth episode of hashtag Decoding UI UX. In this highly competitive digital era, nothing is more necessary than an excellent user experience. UI and UX are the main components of your digital product that make sure to boost your user experience. A great UI can make an immediate impression on users, while an amazing UX can put a long lasting impact on their minds. Hence, both should be done properly to make successful. A good user experience brings more profit for any business. All you need to do is to create a good UI UX design so your users can browse through the app easily. As per Statistica report, more than 6.3 billion smartphone users are there across the world. A few reports say that we have 2.89 million applications available for download the Google Play Store. So now we get to the point that we need to discuss the reasons why an app needs an excellent UI UX design for its success. The first reason is it causes client satisfaction. Before designing the UI of your app, ensure to understand your users. This will help you make changes in your app to meet your users' needs. An effective UI design entails intriguing content and easy navigation that causes client satisfaction. Make sure to design your app with all the necessary features. Moreover, you must have an attractive CTA button that should be in the right place and a simple. The second reason is it creates brand recognition. People usually use apps with a good brand identity. With a foolproof UI UX design, an app can create an intriguing community. Therefore, the promising users can suggest to you some exclusive features to help you enhance and upgrade the app. The whole mobile app design process leads to your business success. The third reason is it saves your time. Using an effective UI UX design helps you create a good user interface, which results in an enhanced user experience. A good user interface design leads to a great user experience. Hence, it saves your time, effort, and the fourth reason is it helps you know your client's needs. A UI UX design is always made focusing on your target users, and an engaging UI UX design can allure the target audience. You can divide all users through the app UX UI, which helps understand your users' needs. Understanding your target users will help you convert prospective leads into positively. The fifth reason is it drives more traffic. If you design your app UI UX properly, it will drive more traffic to your app. As a result, it will help gain new clients and retain them as well. You need an attractive app UI UX design in this competitive market to stay ahead of this. The sixth reason is it offers consistency across the app. UI and UX design are beyond screen orientation and colors. A good and effective UI UX design offers consistency across the app. Moreover, your app gets an exclusive appearance and feel. And consistent UI UX design enhances user experience that leads to business growth also. The seventh reason is it improves user interactivity. User interactivity is all about how comfortable users are while using an app. Hence, UI UX designers make user personas to understand the target users and their preferences. Moreover, they pay heed to personalization that delivers appropriate content as user's choice. The eighth reason is it increases customer loyalty. Customer loyalty is directly associated with the business growth, and you can earn customer loyalty by offering good experiences to app users. A positive user experience helps users to promote your app to others. Users' feedback, rating, and reviews help others know your app precisely. User journey map signifies users' interaction with your app from the scratch. Since good reviews can bring you more clients, you should map your app UX very carefully. The ninth reason is it reduces development costs. A foolproof UI UX design eases the app development process. It includes appropriate app features, app functionality, accessibility, usability, interfaces support, etc. So, you need a spontaneous and simple UI UX design that is beneficial for users and your business. A well designed interface reduces development time, costs, and efforts. The 10th reason is it increases business productivity. A well designed app is effective in terms of growth, sales, conversion, etc. You need easy navigation and seamless UI to lower customers' search time and meet their needs, which leads to client satisfaction and increased business activity. Last but not the least, the 11th point, that is, make you stand out from the crowd. You should understand your clients and their needs to grow your business properly. An effective UI UX design gives you that scope to influence new users, which causes more sales conversions. Your unique design ideas will help you stay ahead of readers. Hence, building a great interface will give your users a realistic feel while using your app. Moreover, it offers the necessary information consistently. If more users use your app daily, it will drive more traffic naturally. This will increase sales conversions and hence your brand identity. So, this is the high time to apply the best UI UX design practices and follow the latest mobile app UI UX design trends to stand out in the digital world. If you are in a need a team full of expert UI UX designers, then contact www.mindinventory.com right now. So that's it for today. Let's meet in the next episode. Till then, keep advancing.